Hello, welcome diamonds. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another job. This is a chat specialist remote position. It's Ashton Carter and it's based in Atlanta, Georgia. It's a remote position that's $17 per hour. It's a contract job. And the experience and skills you'll need is customer service and typing and Windows. You have to have skills in those three sectors. And it's a full-time job description of here is an equivalent experience. You have to have that. Description is answering emails and chats for customers with a variety of different questions, advise customers of wellness program plan benefits, and engage sales tactics to retain customers, assistance in providing general customer service, and complete service, educating customers on the benefits of continuing with pet plans. Skills, customer service, call center, and data entry. This will be remote. Candidates must have a desktop computer or laptop with an additional monitor, Ethernet cable, Windows 10 or better, 85 megabytes per second download speed, and you can check your speed at speedtest.net. At least 1 year experience in a call center, strong customer service skills, experience in a high volume data entry role, ability to type at least 45 words per minute, basic computer knowledge, quick learner, and positive attitude, quiet and private work environment. This is a very customer service focused with a need for being organized and ability to speak write well, since most correspondence will be via email. Ability to work between the following hours, Monday through Sunday, 6 a.m. through 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 a.m. through 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, 8 a.m. through 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, and 9 a.m. through 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. About Ashton Carter. At Ashton Carter, we're dedicated to expanding career opportunities for the skilled professionals who power our business. Our success is driven by the talented, motivated people who join our team across a range of positions, from recruiting, sales, and delivery to corporate roles. As part of our team, employees have the opportunity for long-term career success, where hard work is rewarded and the potential for growth is limitless. Established in 1997, Ashton Carter is a leading staffing and consulting firm providing high caliber talent and premium services to more than 7,000 companies across North America. Spanning four continents and more than 200 offices, we extend our clients' capabilities by seeking solvers and delivering solutions to address today's workforce challenges. For organizations looking for innovative solutions shaped by critical thinking professionals, visit ashtoncarter.com. Ashton Carter is a company with Allegris Group, a global leader in talent solutions. The company is an equal opportunity employer and will consider all applications without regards of race, sex, age, color, religion, national origins, veteran status, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, genetic information, or any characteristic protected by law. If you would like to request a reasonable accommodation, such as the modification or adjust of the job application process or interviewing process due to a disability, please call 888-237-6835 or email ashtoncarteraccommodation@ashtoncarter.com for other accommodation options. However, if you have questions about this position, please contact the recruiter located at the bottom of the job posting. The the recruiter is the sole point of contact for questions about this position. And it just got posted today. So if you guys would like this job position, you can apply for Ashton Carter. Now, this next job is customer support specialist. This is a 30,000 per year salary. It's a full-time position and it's remote. You will need your bachelor's degree to apply to this job and you will need to be bilingual. And the benefits of this job, you have a 401k plan, a 401k matching, dental insurance, disability insurance, flexible scheduling, and health insurance. And you will also have life insurance, paid time off, and vision insurance. Now, with Facilitron, this is the company's name, Facilitron, is a funded, fast-growing software startup who partners with schools, colleges, and municipalities across the United States to bring hundreds of thousands of facilities upon under one marketplace. Valuable rental venues range from classrooms, theaters, multi-purpose rooms, gyms, pools, and fields, even entire campuses. Today, thousands of schools and other public facility owners partner with Facilitron to rent and manage their real estate assets. The position. As a part of the customer service team, you will provide assistance to organizations and individuals during the rental process, including placing requests, collecting balances due, verifying certificates of insurance, and more. Our team handles fast paced and quick response support via chat, email, and phone. We quickly resolve issues in a professional and courteous manner. The location, the though the company headquarters is in Los Angeles, California, um, they're growing they're growing out to the East Coast. It's located out to downtown Athens, Greece. Athens, excuse me, Athens, Georgia, not Athens, Greece, Athens, Georgia. Forgive me, guys. And offers a fast-paced customer service support oriented environment. This position can be done remotely. The skills you need is to succeed in this position. The candidate should have exceptional verbal and written communicational skills and includes typing, spelling, and grammar, as well as computer and problem solving skills. You should be resourceful, analytical, adaptable, and organized. The opportunity Facilitron is a team oriented company who values our team members and supports their career goals. As a fully funded startup, we offer competitive salaries and option packages, healthcare, health insurance benefits, and a flexible vacation policy. Facilitron believes that learning is a lifestyle, so we provide the best and latest hardware and software tools and provide opportunities to attend conferences and work with other departments such as product, operations, sales, and marketing. The customer support specialist position is a full-time 40-hour per week position with a starting salary of 30,000 per year. After successful performance reviews, pay can increase with continued opportunities to further increase and advance to account specialist, account manager, or other positions. Customer support specialist responsibilities. Interact with customers via phone, chat, or email. Focus on bundle related questions, data entry, and navigation. Document all issues, resolutions, and follow up actions. Provide consistent, high quality support to all customers. Be a positive representative for our clients by taking taking and caring and being empathetic approach to customer interactions. Efficiently resolve customer inquiries on the first contact. Handle problem resolutions that may require follow-up and or escalations to a higher level of expertise. Basic job qualifications and skills. You have to have a 4-year college degree, outstanding verbal and written communication, active listening skills, including the ability to speak, read, and write fluently in English. Bilingual skills are a major plus, and computer proficiency, including ability to easily navigate and toggle between multiple screens, talk and type at the same time, and troubleshoot basic computer issues. Helpful and proactive manner with a service orientation. Great interpersonal and administrative skills. Can work independently without being micromanaged. Preferred job qualifications and skills. 1 year experience in the customer service or SaaS industry. Strong troubleshooting skills, SaaS platform tools. Required technical job requirements: experience with Mac computers, experience with email and internet browsers. This is a full-time position, and this job will require you to do a background check, and you have to pass it in order to get qualified for this job and to get hired on this job. And the benefits again are right here. It's listed again. It's Monday through Friday, the schedule, and your education once again have to be bachelor's is required, and it's a remote position. Hiring for candidates for this role, and they are still seeking employment after 30 days. So if you guys really want to get onto a job that is nice for you, it'll be a Facilitron. It'll be with Facilitron to be a customer service specialist. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't been subscribed. Thank you guys for coming back. For my current subscribers, welcome. New subscribers, you guys are very welcome to the Diamond Squad. Thank you for joining, and I appreciate your coming to my channel and getting these jobs while they're hot. And I wish you all the best, you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.